Hello, welcome to our Iris by Kobetron training series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run a configuration change request on a single EGM. So I'm logged in as a casino agent. I'm looking at Casino A from the inventory page. So I'm going to click on this action column, this little circle created out of arrows, and that's going to give me a list of all the change request actions. I'm going to do the configuration change request, and this is selected on a single EGM. So this is going to load up the change request and give me a list of all the fields that are available. If I scroll off to the side, it's all of these fields that are available in this grid. If I scroll down, we can see verified and status, like all of those fields are in here. And you can make changes to them. You can just click on it and type in whatever you want. So I'll just give it an agent number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Scroll over and say the progressive type is WAP. So once I change those fields, I can scroll down here and I can add software to this machine. All of this software here that's in green is approved. This one is revoked. So if I wanted to remove the revoked piece of software, I could click this X and it would remove it. I'm going to keep it in here just so I have a piece of revoked software to show during training videos. But if you wanted to add software, you just right click, say add component. This is going to give you a list of all of the tested software in the database. And from here, I can sort by the manufacturer, file number, the name. Anything that's green is approved, red is revoked, and yellow is non-mandatory upgrade. So I can right-click on a piece of software, say add to list. It brings that piece of software up here in the select components text box. Then I click submit added components, and it puts it down here as a new piece of software. So when I'm done making changes, I scroll down to the bottom and I can hit the submit button. So this is going to create the change request, and we'll have feedback on the website that says a change request has been submitted. Now I'm going to click on this change request link, which will take me to the change request page. And from here, I can see the configuration change that I just set up. It's in a status of drafting. I can review it. So I click on the review edit. It will allow me to go through and look at this. I could, if I wanted to make changes, I could click this edit fields and make changes. But if everything's good, I can click this request regulator approval button, and it's going to ask me, or it's going to change the status to regulator approval requested, and then I'm going to log out and log back in again as the approver. Okay, I'm now logged in as the approver, and I'm still on this change request tab. So I'm going to click this review edit link, and it's going to bring up the change request and show me everything about the request. So as the approver, I could come through here and look at everything. The approver probably wouldn't approve this because of the revoked software, but I want to keep something revoked on here for more demos and to be able to show people what it looks like if there's something revoked. So I'm not going to remove that. But for the most part, when the regulator is going to come here and approve it, they're going to see that revoked piece of software and want to remove it. So they could reject it, cancel it, or they can approve it. I'm going to just go ahead and approve it. And now the status of this change request is approved, and it's ready for the casino to go ahead and complete that request. Okay, so I'm now logged in as the casino agent. I'm again on the change request page, and I'm looking at this change request. I'm going to click the review edit, and from here I can take a look and see it's going to show the exact same thing. Any data that has changed for this request, if you click on it, it'll show that it was previously empty and now it has this value in it. It's going to be highlighted in gray, but I can scroll down, and if everything's good, I can say complete request, and now we get feedback. It sent the change request and it successfully executed it. So now if I click on here, it's going to take me to the tab or open up a new tab that shows me the information about this machine. And we can see now that home partition is now installed in this machine.